Children, this is Parivatani from Dalmia Vidya Mandir, Dalmiapuram. Hope you're all safe in your home and happy. But as I told you earlier, don't forget to do your homeworks and enrich your knowledge by getting the books from the CBSE website. And the last class, we have been discussing about the topic photosynthesis. I explained you clearly what is meant by photo and what is meant by synthesis. Fine. Now we are going to continue the same topic, how the plant is preparing its own food. That's what we are going to see. See, besides, not only the green leaves prepare their own food, apart from the green leaves, the green stem and the bark of the plant, they also prepare the food. If you take the desert plants what they will do, the green color leaf where the spine is there, that is the what is present on the leaf. With the help of that, they prepare the food. So all type of plants prepare their food in one way or the other way. So now we are going to see the equation of the photosynthesis. What is this? CO2. CO2 is nothing but carbon dioxide. Where is carbon dioxide present? Carbon dioxide is present in the atmosphere. What is this? H2O. H2O means water. CO2 means carbon dioxide. So where is water is present? In case of a plant. In case of a plant, here the leaf is there. The leaf is there and we are pouring water to the plant. Do we pour or not? So that is what the plant is getting the water and it is being observed. The root is being observing the water. Where we are pouring the water? We are pouring the water in the root of the plants. It is being observed here and it is transmitted to all the parts of the plant. So what does the plant receive now? It is receiving the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. It is receiving the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. And then what does it is converted? It is converted into glucose. Glucose is nothing but in the form of a starch. Glucose. And then what does it release? What is O2? O2 is nothing but oxygen. So that's what we are telling. The plant is taking in the carbon dioxide and leaving out the oxygen. That is what this O2, and it also releases the water. This is what the equation of the photosynthesis. So in the presence of, it is getting the carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight. So only we are telling photosynthesis takes place only during the daytime. Only during the daytime the photosynthesis process takes place in the presence of chlorophyll. Okay, fine. Now we want to see where is the chlorophyll. The chlorophyll is present only in the leaves. There is a green color pigment. Chlorophyll is the green color pigment. It is present on the leaves. Only with the help of the chlorophyll, the plant can prepare its own food. This is what the process of photosynthesis. So carbon dioxide that is available in the atmosphere, water we are pouring, and in the presence of sunlight that is available in the nature. Sunlight is the only source for the plant to prepare its food. And then chlorophyll, where the chlorophyll is present in the leaf. And what is the product we are getting out of it? It is the glucose. That is a starch plus oxygen. So when the photosynthesis process takes place, we are getting oxygen out of it and then water. So this is what the overall chemical reaction of photosynthesis. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me. And then how this process takes place. The last class we have seen stomata. Stomata. What is stomata? Stomata are the tiny pores which are present on the surface of the leaves. Which are present on the surface of the leaves. The stomata is being surrounded by the God cells. The stomata is being surrounded by the God cells. I will draw the diagram of God cells in the next class for you. And then we have to see an activity to prove that sunlight is required for photosynthesis. Number one, first point is sunlight is required for photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide is required for photosynthesis. And then that is all the activity I will add you in the video and I will put it to you. Because rather than explaining in this way, I will put it in the video so that you can watch it. Now, do you have any doubt in this, children? If you are having any doubt, you can ask me the doubt.
Now we are going to see the experiment to demonstrate that light is necessary for photosynthesis. What are all the requirements for this experiment is, the first one is the potted plant. The next one is the petri dish. The third one is the boiling tube. And the next one is the alcohol. It is none other than the ethyl alcohol. And next one is the iodine solution and Bunsen burner for burning purpose, and forceps to take some items, watch beaker and water. The next and the last one is the dropper to take the solution. The black paper is used to cover the leaf. Now let us see the procedure. The first one is, you take a healthy pot and keep it in the dark for about 3 days so that the leaves become free from starch. After 3 days, just check the healthy pot and cover one part of one leaf with both the sides using the black paper and leave this plant in the sunlight for few hours. And after that, just take the leaf from that plant. You just pluck the leaf from the plant and remove off the black paper. And then first you take the Bunsen burner and using the beaker boiling water, you boil the leaf for few minutes. And then next one, wash it, and then you have to put it in the alcohol so that the color of the leaf changes from green to dull white. And after taking it, again wash it and again place it on the petri dish. And now what we are going to do is, we are going to drop the iodine solution on a leaf. And what we are going to observe, that is the inference of the experiment. The portion which is covered by the black paper, there is no color change, whereas the other part of the leaf changes to be bluish black color. So what is this experiment, and what we are going to learn from this experiment is that sunlight is very important for the preparation of food, for the photosynthesis process. So only the portion of the leaf which is covered with the black paper does not changes its color, whereas the remaining part of the leaf changes to be bluish black color in the presence of iodine solution. Like this way, there are so many experiments to prove that carbon dioxide is required and water is required, nutrients is required for photosynthesis. Thank you, children.